Hello, and thank you for watching this regional forecast for the Canadian Prairie. I'm Andrew Pritchard, meteorologist with Nutrien Ag Solutions. Well, a wild temperature trend continues across the Canadian Prairie here, where again, if you just look at the forecast for the next 5 days, you're picking up on maybe near average or slightly cooler than average temperatures, and we're certainly starting cooler. But we've got a volatile temperature pattern going, so we're going to be cooler to start the week off, warmer temperatures coming in late this week, followed by another cool down over the weekend, followed once again by maybe some warmer temperatures as we get into early next week. Now, what we can gather here is that the active precipitation corridor is going to be just north of the primary Prairie region here, just north of Highway 16, but finally getting some opportunities for some precipitation across the Prairie after what has been quite a dry last couple of weeks. Let's go ahead and jump in. We'll start with the satellite picture here, and we're watching a classic mid-latitude cyclone right now across the central part of the United States. Again, you see this classic comma shape. We've got the cool air screaming in on the backside here from the Prairie. We've got warm air advection on the leading edge here, and that has led to some volatile weather, some strong storms across the southern U.S., even a damaging tornado in the metro area of Dallas, Texas last night. But again, you look at the colored area here, lots of rain and clouds, thunderstorms here associated with this storm system, and some of that beginning to lift into parts of southern Manitoba and western Ontario. Looking at the radar here, there we see some of that rain right now falling again across primarily southeastern Manitoba, the Winnipeg area, getting some rain here this morning. Also some light precipitation across parts of north central Alberta as we get the day started. Now I'm going to show you the NAM here. This is an American model. It only shows us here the southern half of the provinces here of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba here, but we can pick up on the impacts here of the storm system across parts of Manitoba here that's currently lifting across the region. I'm going to go ahead and we'll go back here. We'll time this out again, starting off with some light rain across southern Manitoba here for the day on Monday. Almost called it Friday. I guess I'm already looking ahead to the weekend. Heading into Monday afternoon, though, again, off and on light rain across southern Manitoba, dry in southern Alberta and Saskatchewan for the day today. Heading into the overnight, rain continuing off and on before we get enough cold air in there to perhaps switch over to some light snow across eastern and southern Manitoba. This would be getting into Tuesday morning, maybe some light snow falling there, some minor accumulations possible here, and that does include part of the Winnipeg area, primarily areas from east and north from there. We then get a clipper system that comes in on the backside here as we head into, this would be Tuesday night and then Wednesday, with again perhaps some cold air coming in on the backside here, enough to create some light snow flurries across southern Alberta into southern Saskatchewan during the early morning hours on Wednesday into the middle part of the day on Wednesday. Now the total accumulation here from the NAM model, again, talking about really minor amounts here across, again, southeastern Manitoba into southwestern Ontario, kind of along and east of Winnipeg, going north from there, and then some light snow accumulations possible here Wednesday morning across southern Alberta and southwestern Saskatchewan. Now, a wider look here at the GFS model, and this will take us a little bit further into the future. Starting out on Monday, here's our big storm system across the central U.S., bringing some light rain to southern Alberta, or southern Manitoba, I apologize. And then again, we'll watch for that clipper to come in here and bringing some light snow across parts of southern Alberta and southern Saskatchewan as we head into Wednesday morning. So let's put this into motion slowly, heading through the day today into Monday night now, and then Tuesday morning, early Tuesday morning. Now again, we're seeing some cold air come in, perhaps some light snow across south and eastern Manitoba during the day on Tuesday. Here comes our clipper now, coming across Alberta into southern Saskatchewan Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Maybe some light snow across this region again, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning across southern Alberta into southwestern Saskatchewan. Then, as we head into the weekend, we really lose our confidence. This has been really an awful pattern to try and diagnose between or beyond 5 to 7 days. We're seeing a lot of changes, a lot of disagreement between the weather models. I'll let you know it does look like maybe a more significant storm system than coming in late in the week, Friday into Saturday. This would be the one that brings the warm-up in advance here. You know, we get warm air advection, southerly flow in advance of that storm system here Thursday and Friday. And then as the system moves through late Friday into Saturday, we get cold air coming in on the backside, cold air advection here. Again, the warm air now shifting off across parts of Ontario. Here's our area of low pressure, as this model would say, the GFS at 7 a.m. on Saturday. So this is a late week, early weekend storm system, perhaps likely bringing a warm-up late week, likely bringing a cool down later in the week, but then question marks here as far as the snow production, but again, a chance for maybe some snow across the Prairie during the weekend here Saturday into into Sunday. So we'll have to diagnose this one more carefully as we head into the later part of the week. We'll take another look here at the Wednesday forecast video. But really, the information I want to leave you here, what we have better confidence in, is this Monday and then Tuesday precipitation across southeastern Manitoba, with the snow possible here across eastern Manitoba as we head into the day on Tuesday, and then the late Tuesday into Wednesday precipitation here with some light rain and perhaps some light snow showers across Alberta and south and western Saskatchewan Tuesday night into Wednesday. Quiet then Thursday, Friday, question marks with the Saturday, Sunday storm system. The temperature trends, this will show it as well. Again, watching cooler air coming in right now with this storm system that's traveling across the central U.S. We'll go ahead and we'll see that here first. Then we take the drawings off, get rid of our blue arrows. We'll play this. We'll bring it back to Tuesday. Watching the cooler air kind of filter in as we head through the first part of the week, Monday, Wednesday, and into Thursday. But now as we get into Thursday and Friday, now we're seeing the warmer air come in. We're seeing that warm up in advance of the next storm system, which is making its way across British Columbia right now. This will be Friday afternoon. And then as we head into the weekend, here comes Saturday and Sunday. Watching that cooler air come in on the backside now, our warm air advection has shifted off across Ontario as we head into, this is Saturday night into Sunday, and then watching that cooler air fill in across the region as we head into early next week. Again, just what I want you to take from that is the cooler air to start off the week, a warm up here late week Thursday and Friday, followed by a cool down again on Saturday. The probability of picking up 3 inches of snow or more as we head through the end of the week. Again, a chance for some snow across the border here of northern Manitoba and northwestern Saskatchewan, perhaps picking up, this is showing 3 inches, but that's about 7.5 centimeters of snow. And then what I really want you to gather from this is the best chance for accumulating snow north of 15 centimeters or higher than 7.5 centimeters, I apologize, is going to be north of Highway 16 here across portions of northern Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. But the chance for some light snow, a trace, maybe a dusting here of snow accumulating late Tuesday into Wednesday across portions south of Highway 16 across southern Alberta and southern Saskatchewan. One more time, just taking a look at the temperature trends. This is from the European model, looking at our temperature anomalies. Cooler temperatures as we get the week started here across the prairie. We see the blue shading in there. We do get the warm up then as we head into the middle part of the week. Here's Thursday. Friday, seeing warmer temperatures forecast, and then on the back side of that storm system, we get the cool air coming in Saturday and Sunday, lingering into the early part of next week. Then we'll go ahead and take a closer look here, total accumulated precipitation through Thursday, so all the way through 7 p.m. on Thursday. Seeing things, again, wettest north of Highway 16, but we do have this storm system that could drop a corridor of some light precipitation, some light rain, some light snow across areas south of Highway 16, but really, as we're talking about 10 millimeters or more of precipitation, you're going to have to head north of Highway 16. Total snow accumulation, again, subject to change or subject to change slightly with the track here and the amounts, but we're talking about very light snow, 7.5 centimeters going to be north of Highway 16, maybe a dusting across parts of southern Alberta, southern Saskatchewan as we head into Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Your high temperatures in southern Alberta then, near 10 degrees for the day today, overnight heading down to a low in the single digits. Your highs on Tuesday, much warmer in the teens, cooler off to the east here where we may have some snow, some light snow falling as we wake up on or end the day here on Tuesday. Overnight lows Tuesday night into Wednesday morning in the lower single digits, and then high temperatures for the day on Wednesday near 5 degrees across southern Alberta. As we look off towards Saskatchewan and Manitoba, kind of a fun shape here where we get this divot carved out. The precipitation that we see here from the Monday and Tuesday storm system. Again, maybe some very light snow stacking up in this region as we head into Tuesday. And then the precipitation here coming from the Tuesday night into Wednesday storm system. That, again, probably going to drop some light snow across southwestern Saskatchewan. In the middle here, likely going to be dry across southeastern Saskatchewan into southwestern Manitoba. And then north of this line, this is where we could pick up some light snow as we end the week. Looking at the total snow accumulation forecast, again, maybe some light snow here, generally less than 7.5 centimeters across the border here in Manitoba and Ontario. And then late Tuesday into Wednesday morning, perhaps picking up a trace amount here, a dusting across southwestern Saskatchewan. High temperatures for the day today in the upper single digits here across the prairie on Monday. Overnight lows dropping to 0 or a few degrees below. High temperatures for the day on Tuesday, again in the upper single digits. Overnight lows on Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, near 0 or a few degrees below 0 here across southeastern Saskatchewan into southwestern Manitoba. And then high temperatures a bit cooler for the day on Wednesday, only in the lower single digits, high temperatures around 3 or 4 degrees. But remember, we warm up again Thursday and Friday, only to be followed by cooler temperatures Saturday and Sunday. Enjoy the temperature ride. It is October. Have a great day and a wonderful start to your week.